vehicles 82 against 256 drivers is a sickening message that I got. And I wanted to see those drivers, the 256 against the 82 vehicles. How else can we explain? Are some of drivers passengers in those vehicles? Or indeed they are drivers? It's something we must sort out. Of course, I can't blame the team which has been in office, but it's something I want an explanation. Because these people, 256, they draw salaries, which is meant for development in the county. This one section, I thought I'll get the whole vehicles. I want to give a direction that I want by next week, when all vehicles, be it they're giving essential services, I'll only need them for 1 hour. The 82 of them. All of them. You'll hear, I'll ask these people, wacha niulize, insurances that you guys have, is it a third party or is comprehensive? Weka mkono juu third party. Wale wanaendesha magari ya third party. Sasa sikizeni. Mimi ndio gavana, hakuna mtu, hao wote ambao unataka kuogopa, ogopa mimi. Is it third party or comprehensive? Third party. Information which I have, and I believe I have it in my house, it's that they have been procuring comprehensive. Sindio? Yeah. Comprehensive. Waziri wa fedha yuko hapa. Amekuwa akilipa pesa za comprehensive. But what you have been getting, it's a third party cover. Up to the level that the people, when you have a third party, you are sure yule driver yuko ndani if there is an accident. And that's why most of those vehicles in the garages, they are not repaired. Therefore, sick number one, 82 vehicles against 256 drivers. The sickness number two is that the comprehensive cover you guys are supposed to have in your vehicles, instead of getting it, umeambiwa nini, kwa sababu gani? Ama are you part of the problem? It's finance and the procurement. Waziri, what has been happening?
Your Excellency, the data we use is generated
The data for vehicles or for the comprehensive?
for the comprehensive procurement requisition originated from.
And how comes that now these people, mmesema ni third party mnaendesha magari? Yes. How are they the drivers? Hata kama wengine waendeshi kwa sababu they have more than 82, hata kama tungekuwa wawili, tuseme mmoja anaendesha mchana, mwingine usiku, which is not the case. We could have had 164, but 256. Then the cover which is procured is comprehensive, lakini ile watu wamepata ni mtu lazima aende jera. I saw this here. I want to ask that we are going not to make jokes around. Hiyo pesa ingekuwa imetengeneza one of the hospital I saw at Kiobegi, a dispensary ambayo haina haijajengwa. Waziri, I need all the covers. Don't worry. I got photos from a number. When I insisted to have these meetings, that I had information early. That Mheshimiwa, what we have is this one. Je, huo ni ungwana? My brothers and are they ladies who are driving? My brothers and sisters, hiyo ni ungwana kweli? Because wewe ukigongwa ama ukufe hapo, you will not be compensated. Sasa ndio tumeanza kazi na watu lazima wapige nduru. We're not going to allow this nonsense to continue. Wizi lazima isimame, lakini mtu ambaye amekula pesa ya insurance, hapana, hatuwezi kubali. Allow me ni washukuru kwa wale ambao walinipa habari hii. Hata hizi gari, majority of these vehicles, they are not at work. I want new assignment to, even if it's a ward, all vehicles zikuje. Actually, I would want them at the stadium. Zote, wacha sikanyage hiyo nyasi juu. I'll ask the county traffic commander apeane nafasi hata kama hazina insurance zikuja. Kama haziko insurance ziko wapi, by the way? That is the question I would want to ask. No. Now listen. I'm asking the county commander and the traffic in charge. Hizo gari zitaendeshwa kwa mwendo pole pole, aste zifikishwe wapi? Stadium. Kwa hivyo hata kama ziko kule azifanye kazi, I need them, all of them at the stadium. Leo ni siku gani? Wednesday. Yes. Gari zote zirudi kesho kwa sababu hakuna service wanafanya, kwa sababu hakuna insurance. Gari zote tukutane nazo stadium na niwaonyeshe zote, kwa sababu that's the cover which is there. The story there is no cover is because you know the cover which is there is a third-party cover. The insurance that which hata kama ililipwa, kama it was paid, lazima watuambie who took the money. Period. Kama tutaweza kula mpaka maisha, kwa sababu ni wai wenu. Is your lives. Mtu anacheza tu nayo kwa kaburi. No, we can't allow those things to happen. This business of newly employed drivers, how? Muko na 82 magari, then you continue employing. Madam, even for you to have the 200, you have not advised the counting. Please, madam. Hii pesa tungekuwa tumejengea watoto wetu ECD classes. It can't make anybody to cry.